How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, we are driving the 300. It's not going to be the most extraordinary POV drive, but the fall foliage is partially in and partially out already. As you can see, there's quite a few trees still, with it, and then there are barren trees as well. It is quite a weird year with it cooling off, warming back up, cooling off again. So we're going to take a nice little relaxing cruise. There will probably be some less relaxing moments where I get a little bit rowdy, but I'm gonna enjoy the car, enjoy the exhaust, especially due to the fact that these long tube headers will not be on the vehicle come next spring. The whole setup is changing. Warm up the tires a little bit, got to start the POV drive off right. I'm gonna have a sad 5 months without driving this car, but I'll be working on it, the sand rail and a couple other things, so it's all right. Got the downshift on this road with the long tubes, and I'm about to take them off. I might not drive down this road again. I just had to do it. That's some pretty nice sound. But damn, I love fall. The foliage, crazy, but you can see like they lost the bulk of their leaves, and then folks got yards like this where one tree is barren and the rest is perfect. Ooh, poor little squirrel. These red trees go crazy though. Crazy. Car guys, fall is like fantastic, but at the same time for us car guys it's sad, man. We know if we're in the Midwest or in a cold state, we're about to have to put up a lot of our projects, if not all of them. But it's so nice outside. The temperature, the damn just vibe, aesthetic. I downshifted into third. What the hell? It auto downshifted into second. I think it might have done that because I think I might have held the paddle. Long tubes and cruising in auto sticker with some paddles, being able to control that noise, the RPM, fantastic. I love 5.7s with long tubes. I can't wait to see how it sounds with the shorties, higher compression and everything else. Y'all stay tuned for that build series. Go check out the shack to shop conversion series. Stay tuned for the sand rail to street rail series. Dang, I can't talk or think today. But we got them 3 projects, and then the Jeep ZJ, we about to send it like a lot of other folks do. Might see what a specific engine can do. So 300 is going to be completely different next year. And we got the shop project, 2 other vehicle projects, and then another project that's lingering and on the horizon. So stay tuned, y'all. Alrighty, food picked up. It's time to oops. I left 11s. Oh, look at that! Oh!
Little piggy sandwich.
Oh! Yeah, it looks good. Yellow light, so we going this way. I mean, red light, nah. You said what now?
I had to charge you some.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Do I get in the merge lane and say, f it? I'm gonna get in the merge lane and say, f it. You said what, baby? That's dope. It might kick out a little bit. Hold your food. Not too much. I'm not gonna let her eat too much. Damn, bro. I like it. Y'all, that was a last call 300 with the 640. They look so good. Don't skip the headers. But this will pretty much conclude the POV drive. It wasn't the longest, it wasn't the most exciting, but you know, we had to get it out, cruise with the long tubes. There will be at least 1 or 2 more POV drives up north on the back roads, you know what I'm saying? Last long tube header POV drive in the back roads and everything else, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna end off the POV drive. As y'all can see, most of the trees are becoming barren. Maybe we can get a little bit more autumn content, but who knows? I'll catch y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you got something to say.